Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Shark Navigator 0M vacuum. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. It's kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too that I actually found a pretty good price on this, and I'll put a link in the description to that deal so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So this is from the Shark Navigator series. If you're not familiar with them, that's their best-selling vacuums. The standard Navigator is their best-selling one. This is kind of the newer cousin to that vacuum cleaner. And what it has is, the big difference between the two is it has this 0M technology, which is an anti-hair wrap technology. Basically, in short, it's good for people with pets with long hair. If you have long-haired pets, you know that hair gets wrapped up like into the vacuum coil like super easily, and it's really hard to get out. This has a technology that completely eliminates that, and it actually does work. I was a bit skeptical at first. I thought, I don't know, is it really going to work? But it absolutely does, and it's non-stop too, so it constantly removes it as it's cleaning. Your brush will never get gunked up with hair or anything like that, which is really awesome, because when your beater bar gets clogged with hair, it just stops working and you have to clean the whole thing out, and it's a pain in the butt, and you can usually never even really get it fully cleaned out, so it's almost like ruins it. But this actually does completely eliminate that, and that is really awesome. So if you have pets, in my opinion, this is the vacuum cleaner to get, more specifically if you have long-haired pets. It's really an awesome thing to have. So yeah, the vacuum itself is super powerful. The suction is excellent on it. They've really kind of perfected the suction technology in these vacuums over the years. You don't need a Dyson anymore. These things work just as good, if not better. The canister is fully removable too, and it does have a little pull-out thing for upholstery or steps, which works really good too. But yeah, really like this thing. For the money, it's a great value, and if you have pets, it's almost like a no-brainer. This is just the one you want. So anyway, if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.